I won't be wasting the time in this. So then you'll get 88x minus 8y upon 9 equals to x plus y into x minus y. So that is equation 2 now. Now 1 we got and 2 we got. Okay. Now these variables are only x and y. So with these two equations we should be able to solve it. So from 1 and 2 what we get? This is 1, this is 2. What we get? 68x minus 4y upon 7 equals to 88x minus 8y upon 9. Right? So what we have? 68x minus 4y upon 7 equals to 88x minus 8y upon 9. Right? Divide both the sides by 4. You get 17x minus y upon 7 equals to 22x minus 2y upon 9. Now solve this. Cross this. So 153x minus 9y equals to 154x minus 14y. Again, so take x on one side and y on the other side. So it becomes 154x minus 153x equals to 14y minus 9y. Therefore x equals to 5y. Now we got one relation, x equals to 5y. Put it in 1. So we get 68 into 5y minus 4y upon 7 equals to 5y minus y into 5y plus y. Right? Therefore 340y minus 4y upon 7 equals to 4y into 6y. Therefore 336y upon 7 equals to 24y square. Now this y and y square will get cancelled. Sure, this is a linear equation. That's why y and y square gets cancelled. Otherwise if this would have been a quadratic equation, then this wouldn't have got cancelled. Then there. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.